Alright, so today I am in our beautiful backyard and I plan on cleaning out the garden bed so I can plant a few of our vegetables that are ready to be planted, and besides that, our garden bed is just really needs to be cleaned out. So that is what I'm doing today, and I want to take you guys along and do that today. So let me show you guys what we're working with, and I'll just show you right now. So today we're gonna focus on this garden bed right here. We have some weeds, an old pumpkin, more weeds, the pumpkin vines that are just dead. We have my aloe vera was right here. I need to take that sign out because it's dead. This is the plant that has the purple flowers. I always forget the name, but it's so pretty. This I need to cut all these little yellow stringy things. This is probably fine. It looks pretty good. I need to take out this weed. I need to take out these weeds and just clean everything up. So that is what I plan to do right now. So I did half of the planter and now I'm going to do the other half. I'll show you guys what it looks like. So I just took out all the weeds and big old rocks and paint chips and I did halfway. So now I'm going to go around those plants over there and clean it up, trim some stuff down, and we'll go from there. It looks so nice. I cannot wait to plant some stuff. Okay, so now I'm gonna take out this huge weed. It's so big. This right here. What is this? Okay, so I thought I was going to plant these in the garden, but they are not ready yet. So what I'm gonna do is, this one's looking really good. This is the butternut squash. I'm gonna wait until it has a few more mature leaves on it. And then these ones I've been giving direct sunlight, which is not good because they're like struggling, as you can tell, and it needs some water. So I'm gonna do that right now. And then a little bit's coming to the bottom, and then this one needs more water, or some water. I've been neglecting it. I didn't even realize it. Okay, so those are watered. I'm gonna leave them be and put them in the shade for now on, because I keep putting them in direct light and it's not doing so good. Here we go. Okay, so I got this from Home Depot or Lowe's, I forget, but right here we have some green beans and some sprouts right there, and right here, and this bell pepper, and I don't see anything popping up yet. But the watermelon is doing really good just in these two things. The peas are right here. There's a tiny bit of green in both of them. And then the strawberries, it looks like nothing much is happening yet, but I'm so excited. Can't wait to plant these in about a few weeks or so. We'll see how that goes. Okay, I don't know if you guys can really see me that well, but I'm going to water the plants behind me and just get the soil moist and just make it all nice and watered. Hey guys, so it has been a few weeks, maybe a month since I have filmed the first part of this video, cleaning up the garden bed and everything. We planted some vegetables into the garden already. I didn't film that process just because I just didn't for some reason. So I am going to show you what it looks like right now. And last night there was some activity back here because this morning when I came outside, it looks like some little animal got into our little garden, and I'm going to show you that right now. So yeah, but I am going to plant one last plant right now just to like show you. I feel like a skunk got into our little garden, and the funny thing is I feel like he was a little helper in a way because there's some of the plants that are dying and he just like dug those up and then left the ones that are like living and that are doing really well, he left those alone. So I don't know if he was a nuisance or if he was actually trying to let me know, hey, these aren't gonna make it, so I'm just gonna dig them up for you. But yeah, let me just show you guys what it looks like, and then we'll jump into planting the tomato plant. And it's already 8 o'clock and the sky is very beautiful right now, and yeah, I just wanted to do this right now. I felt inspired to do this part to plant the tomato plant, so that's what I'm gonna do right now. I don't know if you can see, but look how beautiful the sky is right now. Don't mind all the wires, but oh my gosh, the sky is gorgeous. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys what I woke up to this morning. I think it's a skunk. I don't know, but we have a lot of skunk action. I want to say at least once every 2-3 months we get a skunk that sprays the whole premises and it smells so bad. But I think he was back here, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like. So right here we have our watermelon, and this one is doing so good right now. But this one he dug up. I don't know why, but I could probably still replant it. I don't know. Okay, so right here's a butternut squash. This one is doing so good. But this one, he dug it up, and there's all the soil from me planting it. And I think this one's completely gone. I don't know where it is, but that one's gone here. It looks like he dug a little bit there, and he dug a little bit right there, but nothing was there. He just dug there. And then we have some peas that are struggling. I don't think that they're gonna make it, but we'll see how that goes. And right here we have some green bell peppers. Like I said, right here. There you go. Right here he dug it up. Don't know why, but I don't know if that one's gonna die or not. It's gonna die now, but yeah. And then we have this bell pepper and that bell pepper, and then over here we have some green peas. And now these are desperately needing to be planted. This is the tomato plant. I gotta water them and plant them straight away. These are the strawberries. I don't know if they're gonna make it. That was so loud. People, and whoa, there are fireworks. So I'm putting gloves on. I'm going to fix the little holes. It's getting pretty dark pretty fast. I might just plant a tomato plant and then do the holes tomorrow. I don't know. I'm gonna go grab the tomato plant. Okay, so here's the tomato plant. The other one looks a lot better, so I'm gonna give that one to my mom because she really likes tomatoes. Keith and I don't really like tomatoes all that much, but we were planning on giving them to our landlord. So yeah, I'm going to make a little hole and plant the tomato. I dug this hole right here, and I'm gonna place it here, and it's doing pretty good. I think that's a good depth. So I'm just gonna pot it in the hole. Okay, so I planted the tomato plant. I'm going to show you what it looks like. Alright, so I just watered the watermelon. Tomato plant is planted there, and the butternut squash. I'm going to leave that for tomorrow. I'm just going to fix that tomorrow, fix that hole, and fix over there later. I'm going to water over there. So, yeah. Just going to finish watering the other part of the garden, and I'll talk to you guys in a little bit because it's getting really dark and the sun is almost going down. Okay, I'll talk to you guys after I water the rest of the garden. Hey guys, so I am in my bedroom right now. I am finishing up editing this video that you guys are watching right now, and I realized I didn't do a proper outro to this video, so that is what I'm doing right now. And I first off want to thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video where I cleaned out the garden bed, planted the tomato plant, and just talked to you guys about my garden. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and follow me on my social medias, which is basically only Instagram. But yeah, thank you guys for watching again. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Have a really great day. Bye guys.